It's a lot tinier than the photo showed. The instructions that the video showed wasn't even the right instructions for this kind of cage. So it's like just falling apart. This won't stay on there. This isn't sturdy. It sucks. This is one of the most terrible Amazon things I have ever gotten. Do not buy from this. Look how flimsy that is, because it doesn't give you the right instructions. I've tried bending these thingies down. It doesn't work. And look, that is so easy for the bird to get out of. This product is so bad. Do not get it. Please, do not get this.
So this is supposed to go under here, and it will not go under that clamp. It's completely never going to happen. Everything is misaligned. Total trash.